very good morning to my dear children. Today we are going to learn general knowledge. Dear children, this book is your general knowledge book. In this, we are going to learn various things like entertainment and sports industry, scientific pursuits, culture and civilization, flora and fauna, and miscellaneous topic. Miscellaneous topics means mixed topics. Then our wonderful world. These are the various topics which we are going to learn in our general knowledge book. So, today we will begin with miscellaneous topic ice breaker. In this lesson, you will be provided with the clues and you have to recognize the personalities which are related to music. Are you ready for it, my dear children? So, let's begin. Your page number 3. He is popularly known as the Tabla Maestro, a son of a renowned tabla player from India, but known all over the world. He is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan or Ustad Zakir Hussain. Come on children, guess. There is a picture given on the right hand side. He is, yes, Ustad Zakir Hussain. Let's move ahead with second quiz. A santoor player, popularly known as Shiv Hari, during his collaboration with Hari Prasad Chaurasia. What do you think? I am Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Ustad Bismillah Khan. Come on children. There is a picture given on right hand side. Can you see that? And can you guess the personality? Who is it? Yes. Come on. Guess. He is Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. Let us move ahead with third one. He is a popular sitar player, widely appreciated in the Western world. He is awarded with prestigious Bharat Ratna Award for his contribution to the music world. Who do you think is he? He is a Pandit Ravi Shankar or Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Can you guess the picture of this celebrity? He is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Fourth one. She is the first female singer in Carnatic music to be awarded with Bharat Ratna. She is known to possess a divine power and loved worldwide for her soulful singing. Who do you think is she? Is she a M.S. Subba Lakshmi or Yamini Krishnamurti? Yes, children, can you recognize her? Who is she? Yes, she is M.S. Subbalakshmi. Next clue, a very talented and knowledgeable dancer. She was born in Mumbai, who knew many dance forms including Bharatnatyam, Manipuri and Odissi. She founded the Center for Indian Classical Dances in New Delhi. Who do you think is she? Is she Yamini Krishnamurti or is she a Sonal Mansingh? Can you see the picture and guess the name? Who is she? Yes, she is Sonal Mansingh. Let's move ahead to our next clue. Our next clue is a prominent Indian ghazal singer. He is also a songwriter and musician, popularly known as Ghazal King. He is known as Ghazal King, and he was also awarded with Padma Bhushan. Who do you think is he? Manna De or Jagjit Singh? Now can you recognize him? Yes, he is Jagjit Singh. Our next exercise is match the columns. In this, you are provided with two columns, column A and column B. In column A, you are given with various personalities, and in column B, the famous work of that personalities are mentioned. You have to match both the columns. Before we begin, it's my humble request to you to open page number 4 of your GK workbook so that you can see the column B and you can answer B. Can you recognize this picture? Yes, you are right. He is Michael Jackson. Now come on, search in your column B which answer matches this. Correct. C. International pop star. He was international pop star. This picture also you will recognize well. He is Charlie Chaplin. Come on, now search in column B which answer matches this. Very good. D. Comic actor. He was a comic actor. Third personality. Who is this? Correct. This is Kiran Bedi. Now, try to find out the perfect match for it. Yes, correct. B. India's first IPS officer. She was the India's first IPS officer. First female who was appointed on this big post, that is IPS officer. This picture is of, come on, recognize? Yes, very famous, Kalpana Chawla. Now, can you find perfect match to it? Correct. F. She was the scientist who traveled to space. Now recognize this picture. Who is this? Thomas Alva Edison. Can you find a perfect match to it? Yes. A. Scientist who invented the bulb. Next, he is a Roger Federer. Yes. Perfect match for us? Yes, he is a tennis star. He is a famous tennis player. Now, tell me, who is she? Yes, she is Barkha Dutt. Come on, can you find a perfect match? Yes, you are correct. She was a popular journalist. E. Popular journalist is the correct answer. Now tell me, who is he? Yes, he is C.V. Raman. Now, find the correct answer from column B. Yes, G. Scientist to win a Nobel Prize. C.V. Raman, he got a Nobel Prize. He was a scientist. He is a great personality. Everyone knows. Yes, he is Anil Ambani. Now come on, can you tell me the perfect answer for this? Yes, J. Owner of Reliance. Anil Ambani is owner of Reliance. This image on your screen is Bachendri Pal. Yes, can you find a perfect matching answer for her? Who was Bachendri Pal? Yes, H. Women who climbed the Mount Everest is the correct answer. She was the one who climbed Mount Everest. With this, we end our session here. I request you to write all the answers in your workbook, which will be answers will be sent to you in PDF. Okay, so have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Bye. Take care.